Number 2 is official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. The official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer is a top-of-the-line option for schools seeking a reliable, user-friendly, and versatile 3D printer. Boasting a removable build surface plate, this printer ensures that 3D models are easily removable after printing and that the build surface temperature remains consistent throughout the printing process. Safety is a priority, and the Ender 3 Pro includes a branded power supply that protects the printer from unexpected power surges. With the ability to heat the hotbed to 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, this printer is incredibly efficient, making it ideal for classroom use. Another noteworthy feature of the Ender 3 Pro is its ability to resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after a power outage. This function ensures that valuable time and effort invested in a project are not lost due to unforeseen circumstances. As a semi-assembled kit, the Ender 3 Pro provides a valuable learning opportunity for students. Assembling the printer allows them to gain a deeper understanding of the basic concepts of 3D printer construction, providing an engaging STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. If you are interested in the official 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.